Affiliate marketing tips to enjoy success. So lots of people join affiliate program simply for the commission. They mistakenly think that all it takes to start to make money is an affiliate program, but nothing could be further from the truth. There's much more to it. Affiliate marketing is a system where merchants reward affiliates for each referral sale. This is generally accomplished using a number of marketing tools such as banner ads, newsletter, blogs, social media, and things like that. The links provided by the affiliate program have a tracking code in them. With most affiliate programs, there has to be a purchase made, although some do pay for sale leads. So let's have a look at those tips. Tip number one is choose your merchant with care. There are like thousands upon thousands of affiliate programs out there. You should choose your merchants based on the commission they pay. Look for the highest commissions, quality products, and the best reputation. Okay? The second tip I will give you is that integrity does matter. You should never recommend something to your clients that you personally haven't tried and liked. If you wouldn't recommend it to your friends, you shouldn't recommend it to your potential customers. There are tons of good affiliate opportunities, so find one. Okay? And the third tip I will give is that it's all about the niche. If you don't have traffic coming to your site, you can't make money. There's so much competition online that it is important that you find a niche that's yours. If you find a niche that does not have a lot of competitors, you might be tempted to grab it. But there may be a reason that there are few in the niche. That is, it might not be a popular niche. So make sure you do your homework. You also don't want to choose a niche that professional affiliate marketers tend to choose, like mortgages, cancer treatments, credit cards, etc. etc. So find a smaller niche that's still popular, like travel to the Barbados. The tip 4 I will give you is that it should be relevant. Your affiliate product should be relevant to the content that is on your website. Like I give you example, if your website is about cellular phones, having an affiliate that's related to fishing gear would not be a good match, but having an affiliate that's related to cellular products would be a good match. And the fifth tip I will give you is that avoid situations that are overcrowded. If making a solid income from affiliate marketing was as simple as throwing up banner ads, there would be all kinds of millionaires out there. A site with pages of banner ads is going to look like every other site. You need to stand out and create a page that's appealing because visitors don't like ads. Instead, review the products and tell them something of value. That will definitely be more appealing than a bunch of ads. Okay?